It's the weekend, and we are not seeing much of a price volatility. Although the crypto market doesn't close during the weekend, but we are just in a range, chopping around, and currently now, Bitcoin is at $110,000. During Thursday, or is it Thursday or Wednesday, we had FOMC and the price crashed all the way down to $106,000. But at the moment, we are slowly gaining momentum. We are slowly gaining momentum, but I don't think price will move much during this weekend. But let's quickly take a look at what price might do during the week opening. These are my predictions for price. So before I get onto the chart, if you are just joining me for the first time, this is my channel, The Freedom Trader, and I post crypto updates, price action. So if you've not subscribed to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's get onto the chart. Now at the moment, we are slowly pushing towards the upside. So we did go lower. We went as low as 106,200, but we failed to just tap on this other block right here. So my prediction was we were going to tap on it, but we went as low, rally to the upside, and yet again got rejected. But now price is in a range right now. And my prediction was once we fail to break above this resistance right here, we could go lower. But if we see price bounce, then price reclaim this zone, could easily break above. But the problem right now is the oscillators. Now look at this, the stochastic RSI. The stochastic RSI is not yet oversold. When we crossed at the overbought region, you can see that price rejected at this resistance level. Now we are at this this little support right here, but price has not yet come down to the oversold region. But I think maybe if we could see maybe a little bit of a range in between this level, while the stochastic RSI gets to the oversold region, we could easily break out of this resistance level. But if we fail to rise to the upside, we could easily see another possible rejection. We could go lower and retest this trend line over here. And if you see that, if we want to obey this traction pattern, you can see that we are on this expanding symmetrical triangle. But if we decide to respect the price action pattern, we could go as low as 97k. You can see. So that's why I said I'm currently leaning towards the downside than the upside. Maybe probably if we get to this level, we could possibly see it bounce. But I just want price to range at this level while the stochastic RSI gets to the oversold region. Then we could see a reversal to the upside, breaking above this resistance trend line we're having here. So let's go down to the lower time frame, because I love to look things on the higher time frame and also for the lower time frame for any possible trade entries. So let me quickly go over to the 1 hour. So you can see on the 1 hour, we are kind of creating an inverse head and shoulder right here. This is the shoulder, the head, and another shoulder. We did reclaim this zone. We went as low as 106,300, went up to the upside, but we are yet to break above this neckline we're having here. There's a resistance right here between 11,600 and $11,000. So we are yet to break above this neckline. If we fail to break above this neckline, then we could easily see a drop in price. We could easily see a drop in price, thereby breaking below this low right here. So my prediction is if we fail to break above this high, we could go down. But if we break above this resistance over here, we could easily go over to $150,000 resistance. Then if we see a break above this resistance, then we could easily break towards the upside. But now my predictions right now is I'm currently leaning towards the downside right now, because it seems as if price would reject breaking below this low. I'm currently on a short position right now on the 1 hour time frame. I'm currently on this short position. Now this was my entry level. I put my stop at just above this high. Now it seems as if price is going to reject, but nevertheless, if price stop me out, I'll be looking to enter a short on this resistance at $112,000. But if price still stop me out, then I'll be flipping my thesis from bearish to bullish. So we just have to wait and see what price does. But I believe this weekend we are not going to have much volatility, but going towards Monday opening, then we will see a big reaction in price. So that's it for this update, guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe.